How to fix Grindr registration error. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix your Grindr registration error. So if you're having an error with the registration process on your Grindr account, then what you have to do is you just have to simply follow the steps. So first thing, go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Grindr and install the application. When you're done installing it, click the open button, and it's going to take you to the login or sign up field, which is going to look something like this. Now press the sign up button from the top right inside corner, and when you actually go ahead and press on it, then you'll be asked to enter in your information, that is your email address and then a password. So when you go ahead and press the sign up button, it's going to ask you to enter in your email address that you wish to register with. So in most cases, why the users are having an issue with the registration process is that during the registration you must have provided your date of birth, or you must have provided your age as below 18 years old. So unfortunately, Grindr does not accept the people who are under 18 years old. So for that, in order to create your account on Grindr, you must be 18 years or you must be above 18 years. So as per the date of birth, you could go ahead and increase it, and likewise you'll be able to register for Grindr without any error. So that is how you can fix your Grindr registration error. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.